Welcome to John A. Shaw Middle School. I'm John Sweat, I'm the principal here.
And my name is Ty Miller, I'm the project manager with Integrus Architecture.
So in front of me is Cook Street, and Cook Street, even though it's not part of Shaw Middle School, has been all torn up, and rather than having a through traffic kind of feeling, it's going to be more of a promenade, which really opens up a partnership with the Northeast Community Center and with the Zone Project. That's one of the things that really drove the creation of this campus, was a focus on relationships and making this my school. We want our kids to feel like this is their school. It's friendly, fun, and a place where they can dream, plan, set goals, and really get ready for high school and the rest of their life. Welcome to our Community Outreach Center. This is something that was built to really give our community an opportunity to come in and sit down with us. It's built on a whole family approach to service. So by wrapping our resources around the whole family, we really reduce those barriers that can prevent our kids from fully engaging in their education.
So one of the really fun parts about this middle school was the entire design from ground up, the site plan, started with community partnerships. It's locating the whole entire building closer to the Northeast Community Center, so there's access for services. The approach of the entire campus focused on community services and access, and not duplicating any services.
So welcome to our library. The big idea is we want library to become part of the culture of our school, not a closed off place that's not inviting or friendly, but really part of what our kids just do. So over here are 3 learning spaces where our kids can work as teams with the teacher or without, independently, and work on a project that's fully equipped with technology.
So the whole point of this particular space, we didn't want it just to be a space for books. That's obviously very important, but the library wanted to be a space that can't be duplicated anywhere else. So these specific rooms that John was talking about were spaces, they're mediascapes, so kids can break away, go in and sit down and work in small group sessions with a librarian.
We really wanted an inviting, friendly kind of atmosphere where the kids felt at home and they felt like they could come in and they could look at books and check books out.
So the school district was very interested in creating a very warm and welcoming entry from the north for the community. And so this was one of those spaces as that you enter in, you see these warm glue lamps and beautiful lighting. Another thing that we looked very closely at was creating views through the whole project, because visibility and being able to see students was really important. So this is one of those spaces that you can see all the way through to the commons area. This is my favorite place, one of my favorite spaces.
I get goosebumps when I walk in here. I really do. This is such an amazing space. This is really a space that invites our community to come in, jamborees and tournaments. Our Shaw Middle School bleachers are down at this end, and they're able to actually seat our 7th and 8th graders and our 6th graders when we get 6th graders next year.
So one of my favorite parts of this process was being able to sit down with some of the Shaw Middle School students, and they said bring in as much natural daylight as possible. And I think that's something that we really accomplished on this project, was making this a warm, welcoming space that's very inviting with a ton of natural daylight.
We're going to walk in now to the rest of our athletic facility, which is our mat wrestling room and our circuit workout room. And the kids are going to be able to experience this while they work out. So this is incredible. Our wrestlers aren't even going to know what to do with this space. I mean, this is really, really an asset for this community that I think is just crazy, incredible. Welcome to our CTE Art and Music Wing. We made it very visible so that students could watch, and we wanted our kids to be able to, when they're walking down this hallway, to be able to see what's going on in here, get excited about our electives. The big idea here was creating and then working towards the middle, the dreaming on the outside and working towards the middle with their hands. The whole concept of sharing assets is really important, and this is a great place to kind of capture that. On Track Academy will be able to access music and our CTE, as well as our athletic facility and our library over here. In addition to that, you can see that there's this huge play structure. Our sixth graders, when we asked them what they would like to see at their school, they said, we want to be kids, we want to have a place to play. So the contours in the grass, and there's 2 play structures like this and 4 basketball courts out here for our kids to come right off the buses. This is our bus loop, and be able to access and play and have fun and all that kind of stuff. This is our music wing. So on this side of the hallway is actually where our choir will be. And then our kids can actually check out their instruments on their way in to the band room. We want our vocal music and our instrumental music to cross over and work together collaboratively. Our musicians playing and our singers singing, and we believe that this is going to be a game changer for our music program. So welcome to our Commons. This is another one of those spaces that we're really excited about the community being able to use, but it's large, spacious, it's enough room for our kids to be able to eat. So scratch cooking and plenty of access for our kids so they can get served quickly. Up here are our learning stairs. And if you look over here, this is where the screen will come down, and which allows us to not only teach, with a teacher, but also teach digitally up here. And it's a great place for our kids to enjoy, to develop their relationships and to have fun. This is one of kind of those unique spaces in this building, which overlooks the entire Commons. One of the things that we were very sensitive to was the fact that we needed to be able to see our kids. So the school is designed in a very visible way so that we can keep our eye on our kids throughout this building. Safety has been a very important, paramount kind of design feature. Welcome to our learning space. We call these our neighborhoods. And they are made of 4 classrooms: math, science, social studies, and a learning lab, which is our science space, but also accessible to the other curriculum as well.
The kids wanted a spot to call their own. That was something that was really important to them.
So if you look, this would be our learning lab, but we really call it a learning lab because our teachers work collaboratively. Shaw's been teamed. This will be our 4th year. And we've been working really hard on making sure that we cross the curriculums over and our teachers work together. A couple of really interesting features is every one of our neighborhoods have a little kitchenette, and they also have a restroom, which is real important because we don't want our kids going across the school to use the restroom. So every neighborhood has its own restroom. I'm bringing you into our designed instruction and our ABLE program, where we serve a unique and wonderful group of kids. One of the things that these kids so much enjoy is having a variety of different kind of spaces that they can be in. And this is an example of one of those spaces right here. This would be where a student could earn a reward and be able to be in this space. Again, it's glass, so it's viewable from our teacher, but this is a space where there might be a beanbag chair or something that the kids could relax in and sit here, read a book, and just kind of chill out for a few minutes when they've earned a reward. I just feel really blessed to have been part of this process. Our families, our community, supporting, through a bond, and then my staff and the students here weighing in and giving their opinions and their dreams about what they wanted to actually have happen.
This project didn't happen in a silo. We've had incredible feedback from the community, from the teachers and staff, from the students, from John and his team, and down to construction. Lydig Construction has been a phenomenal partner in this. They've had a great group of subs, and it's created an incredible building for the community to enjoy.
I think our kids are going to feel like this is their school, and I think that really is a measure of how wonderful and incredible this collaboration has been. I just want to thank everybody.